Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. So today for breakfast I decided to make avocado on toast. So I started by cutting the avocado and making it mashed. I added some chili flakes, some black pepper and some onion seasoning. I then gave it a bit of a mix in the mixer. And then I made my eggs in the pan. So it was time to assemble. So I got both of the toasted and put some avocado. I then topped it up with an egg. I kept the eggs a little bit runny in the centre, just the way I like it. And I also had some orange juice. After lunch I went into my office and did some work. For dinner I was making garlic chicken with couscous, sweet potatoes and mash. So I started by adding the seasoning, which was a Maggi garlic chicken. I then added some oil and I gave it a good mix. I then added some onion powder and this was the sweet potato which was chopped up. So this is the couscous. It was seasoned with coriander and lime, so it had quite a fresh taste. I just mixed it together a little bit more. The TV was playing in the background, so that's what that sound was. It was just an anime that was playing. And it was time to plate up. The couscous was nice, light and fluffy. I added the mashed potatoes. It was quite creamy. and then ate this while watching some TV. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more.